Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zendesk API using OAuth tokens step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Zendesk API using OAuth tokens, start by registering your application in the Zendesk Admin Center. Navigate to the API section within the Admin Center. Locate the OAuth Clients section and click on it. Click on the Add OAuth Client button to create a new client. Fill in the required details such as the name and description of your application. Set the redirect URL where users will be directed after authorization. Select the necessary scopes for your application based on your needs. Once you have completed the form, submit to create the OAuth client. Make note of the client ID and client secret generated for your application. Next, you will need to authorize your application. Direct users to the authorization URL using the client ID and necessary parameters. This URL will typically look similar to https://your_subdomain.zendesk.com/oauth/authorization. Users will be prompted to log in and authorize access to your application. After authorization, the user will be redirected to your specified redirect URL. This redirection will include a temporary authorization code in the URL. Capture this authorization code from the URL on your redirect page. Now, exchange this authorization code for an access token. Make a post request to the token endpoint at https://your_subdomain.zendesk.com/oauth/token. Include the client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request body. Once the request is successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely, as it will be used for API requests. Monitor the expiration time of the access token to determine when to refresh it. To refresh the token, you will use the refresh token in a similar post request to the token endpoint. Now, you are ready to make authenticated requests to the Zendesk API using the access token. Include the access token in the authorization header of your API requests. This is done by setting the header to authorization, bearer your _access_ token. Now you can interact with various Zendesk API endpoints using OAuth authentication effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.